Today I'm making a poached squid with this 5-flavor sauce. So this is something I'm very familiar while growing up. Seafood is a very common ingredients that we use in Taiwan. The flavor actually comes from the squid itself, as well as a very special dipping sauce, which is 5-flavor, and I will show you. Let me start with the boiled water for the squid. So I'm gonna put a scallion inside. And then a few slices of ginger, some wine. This is just to, remove any of this raw taste of the food. I'm going to bring this stock into a rolling boil. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my squid. There are different sizes of squid. The ones that I grew up eating usually is the small one, and it has a lot of the ink. And the things that my sister and I love to do is talk to each other after we eat squid to show how dark the tongue has become, just for fun. It stains your mouth quite badly. I have a video on how to prepare squid, in case you haven't seen it. The key takeaways is you have to remove the eyes and the beak. You can easily find calamari frozen one. For convenience sake, please feel free to use that. The squid does have a unique taste to itself. I like the texture as well as the little bit of a tastes like the sea. Now I've cleaned the squid. I'm going to poach it. I'm going to use my noodle web for easier to fish it out later. So this is very quick. Okay, so 1 minute less. Ooh, it's sticking out. Make sure it's all inside. So it takes less than a minute. Once it turns white and the texture becomes hard, then it's done. Yep, that was the minute. All right, we fish it out. Oh, so little. After you made it. No, we just put it in the ice bag. That's it. In the meantime, let me make the sauce. Okay, I'm going to make this 5-flavor sauce, and it's very unique as a dipping sauce for seafood in Taiwanese cuisine. The 5-flavor consists of sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce paste, 酱油膏. We have the black vinegar, as well as ketchup. Ketchup gives another layer of sourness, but also some sweetness to it. And of course, we add some salt to season. And I'm going to put a scallion. I think a lot of the flavor, the majority of the flavor is going to come from the ketchup, but it has all the Chinese trinity, garlic, ginger, green onion. So it's kind of unexpected in the soy sauce, as well as the different vinegar. You just mix it. All right, so now we are done with the sauce. I'm going to slice this into about 1 cm, so ½ inch. So usually I look at my finger. My finger is about 1 inch, so half of that. So this one you can eat room temperature, or you can actually eat it as a cold dish. Doesn't it look like a plate of summer? This reminds me of summer to eat cold squid. The sauce makes all the difference. Plus, because it's chewy, so it's a bit cold, you gotta try it.